Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to tell you about a coffee I just purchased. It's by Green Mountain. It's called Dark Magic Dark Roast. It has a bold, deep, intense flavor. It's 100% Arabica coffee. I actually just heard about Green Mountain when I was at my friend's wedding in Pennsylvania. She got married in this place that was kind of in the mountains, and she thought it would be cute if her favor were these. It was like a little packet with Green Mountain with different flavors, and one of them was dark roast. I like a darker, like more intense flavor with my coffee in the morning. I just like it to taste strong as well as be strong, but I really liked this flavor, so I went out and purchased it on my own. So Green Mountain, which I'm sure you probably heard of because it's pretty popular. The mountains are a special place. It's where Green Mountain Coffee Roasters was born. It's where we developed our adventurous spirit and commitment to improving the lands through sustainability sourced coffee. We are driven to bring the world a richer, better cup of coffee. Be bold and be alive. Grab a cup and get out there. Kind of cute little slogan that they have here. And then it doesn't expire until April of 2020. And I will definitely be through with this coffee in probably like a month because me and my husband go through a lot of coffee. So just like ordered this online and just got it in the mail now. I'm gonna open it up. Got this opened up. It just has 48 of these cups inside to make 48 cups of coffee. And they're each 0.40 ounces. Gonna go ahead and make one. Switching it up from what I was using before, as you can see. Alright, well, here's our first issue. It's weird because it says K-Cups and Keurig on here. Alright, that's never good. I have to. Sometimes if I just screw with this a little bit, it'll work. Alright guys, so I did screw with this for like 30 seconds, which is annoying to get this to work. And it says it works with the Keurig machine, so I don't know what was up with that. I'm actually going to have to return it, unfortunately, which is annoying. It does work. I just had to like keep opening the handle a million times because that message kept coming up that it wasn't compatible with the Keurig machine. So unfortunately, it's going to have to go back to the store. I don't know if it's just a fluke with this box, but I mean, it says Keurig right on there, so you would think that it would work. And the Keurig 2.0 machine is popular, so I don't know, that's a little annoying. I have to tell you too, I'm really not a huge fan of the Keurig machines. I prefer just a regular coffee machine, but it's just me drinking a cup, so it's kind of wasteful to make like an entire pot that I'm not going to go through. So I just kind of have it for convenience. So just brewed it. It looks nice and dark. I just brewed 8 ounces, which is what I always brew. And I don't do milk and sugar. Like, I don't do regular milk and sugar in my coffee. I just do specifically almond milk. So it does look dark. So as promised, looks good already. And then it says here, as deep and intense as the night itself, an extra bold blend with dried fruit and chocolate notes, leading to a subtly sweet finish. So it's like definitely on a scale from like here light to dark. You could see it's definitely like more towards the dark, which I definitely like, as I was saying. And then the only ingredient is Arabica coffee, distributed by Keurig Green Mountain Incorporated. I don't even know if they make regular coffee, to be honest, or just the K-Cups, but they should definitely make regular coffee as well. Alright guys, so I just added a little almond milk to my coffee. That's how I like it, just a little bit of almond milk, not too much, no sugar. It's really good. Definitely tastes like dark roast coffee. I really, really like it. I'm very disappointed that it's not working with my machine without me having to mess around with it. So I'm going to definitely go ahead and see what's up with that. But as far as taste is concerned, and if you have an older Keurig machine, I'm sure it will work with that. As far as taste, it's so good. Bold, deep, and intense is definitely on point. So really, really good, full of flavor, nice and dark. And Green Mountain, of course, makes tons of other flavors, and especially with the fall coming up, I'm sure they'll have a fall flavor, pumpkin spice, or whatever the case is. Really delicious. I'm definitely a fan of Green Mountain. Again, I've never had this issue where it didn't work with the machine, and I've definitely purchased Green Mountain products before, so I don't know what's up with that. But I hope you guys try out the Green Mountain Dark Magic Dark Roast, and I hope you love it. Later, guys.